Welcome to my honest review of MoneyMate, a personal finance app designed to simplify money management. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about MoneyMate, from its core features to how it stands out in a crowded market of financial tools. Starting with the onboarding process, MoneyMate ensures a smooth setup by allowing you to link your bank account securely and categorize your transactions automatically. The app's dashboard provides a clear, intuitive overview of your finances. You can see your monthly budget, spending trends, and progress toward your financial goals, all at a glance. One of MoneyMate's standout features is its budgeting tool. You can create custom budgets for various categories such as groceries, entertainment, and savings, with the app sending helpful reminders when you approach your limits. Another powerful feature is the expense tracker, which automatically sorts your transactions into categories, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. It even provides detailed visual reports with graphs and charts that help you spot spending patterns and areas to cut back. For those focused on saving, MoneyMate offers a goal-setting tool. You can set specific financial goals, like building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation, and the app helps you stay on track by breaking these goals into achievable milestones. A unique aspect of MoneyMate is its smart notifications. These alerts remind you of upcoming bill payments, suggest adjustments to your spending habits, and even highlight opportunities for saving based on your transaction history. The security features are also worth mentioning. MoneyMate uses bank-level encryption to keep your financial data safe and secure, which is a major plus for users concerned about privacy. Throughout the video, I'll also share my personal experience using the app daily, including tips for getting the most out of its features. Whether you're looking to get out of debt, save for a big purchase, or simply have better control over your spending, MoneyMate provides the tools and insights you need to make informed financial decisions. Stay tuned as I dive into the pricing structure, compare MoneyMate to similar apps, and discuss its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your financial needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future content. Let's master personal finance together.